Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Heavens of the World. Once again, my wife Archana Jain and myself Narendra Jain, we both take this opportunity to take you to yet other very exciting and magical places of Iceland. In the current vlog, Waterfalls of Reykjavik and the divine beauties of Isafjordur and Akureyri, we will witness some unimaginable scenic beauties existing here. Iceland is not only a land of fire and ice, it is also a land of waterfalls. And according to some estimates, there are 10,000 waterfalls existing here. The Golden Circle is the most convenient and most ideal way to commence the journey. So without wasting any time, let us just jump in and start exploring incredible Iceland. Welcome. Ring Road, running for around 1,322 kilometers, surrounds the entire island of Iceland. The Golden Circle, which is a 300-kilometer route, starts and ends in Reykjavik. It encompasses first Thingvellir National Park, second the Geyser geothermal area, and third the Gullfoss waterfalls. Let us start our journey from the waterfalls of Reykjavik.
Located in South Iceland, Foss is reported to be the most voluminous waterfall. Approximately 360 meter cube per second of the water flows over the Foss Falls into the Iceland's longest Gjosa River. This river drops down by the edge of a lava field, which is the greatest lava flow on Earth. Since the Ice Age, salmons and sea trouts migrate up the Foss in order to breed. Whoa! What a stunning view of Foss! Foss, one of the most iconic waterfalls, is also located in the southern region of Iceland. 60 meters in height, it allows the visitors to walk behind the cascade of water. It is surrounded by green hills and volcanic rocks. The serene beauty of the waterfall escalates all emotions. Foss, with a height of 60 meters and a width of 25 meters, is located on the Skóa River in South Iceland. There are 527 steps up to the top of the waterfall. It has a thunderous roar. This waterfall has also been featured in Justin Bieber's video for I'll Show You. The white, milky, majestic fall soothes the heart, the body, and the soul. Gullfoss, meaning Golden Foss, is located in southwest Iceland. It is a two-tier waterfall where water drops down a stair-like landscape into a deep canyon from a height totaling 32 meters. This is an ideal place to see rainbow forming due to hue of sunlight. Geologists believe that it was formed around 5,000 years ago. Golden Circle derives its name from Gullfoss.
From Reykjavik starts our cruise journey to Isafjordur and Akureyri, which are the most distant places in Iceland. On the first instance, the names are checked in the guests list and the passenger baggages are accepted at the cruise terminal. And then the people are ready to undergo a set of mandatory checks before boarding the NCL Prima ship. Finally, documents like visas and passports are being checked. Walking through the gangway, and now, finally, it is time to board the cruise. Within 2 hours of boarding, the checked in baggages are made available to the guests in front of their respective staterooms. As per the cruise itinerary, the first docking takes place at Isafjordur.
Isafjordur, with a population of barely 2,500 people, is an enchanting town in western fjords. This place is ideal for water sports and mountainous landscapes. It has a significant role in Iceland's fishing industry. Akureyri is Iceland's capital of the north. It is situated in northern Iceland and is the second largest urban area. Godafoss, also known as the Waterfall of the Gods, is a stunning natural landmark. Akureyri Art Museum displays contemporary art from Iceland. There are many outdoor works of art that can be seen around the town.
Friends, there's a lot more to see in Iceland. We have covered some of the places of tourist attractions. With the cruise now moving on to Norway, we will spot two of its unique destinations. First one being Geiranger and the second Bergen. The fjords, landscapes and waterfalls from here would entice you for sure. Thank you all for your continued support. As usual, please do like the vlog. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then kindly consider doing so. Your valuable suggestions are always welcome. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay blessed.